flip side, remember ABB also has posted its results and it's up 10% in trade, and ABB India is surging in trade in an otherwise weak market, remember, after posting a strong set of first quarter calendar year 2024 earnings. In fact, our colleague Vamakshi is right here. She's been pouring on those numbers and comes up with the analysis and key highlights. Vamakshi.
Well, absolutely, and a very strong set has come through from ABB India, and as a result, like you rightly pointed out, the stock is locked in the upper circuit. It's a beat across the board. Revenues came in nearly 7% higher for the company. In fact, this revenue growth is largely being led by their electrification and process automation business. This has more than offset the temporary sluggishness in motion as well as robotics and discrete automation is what the company has said. Now, when we look at the margins, we were expecting margins at around 14%, but the margins have actually beaten estimates significantly, now coming in at almost 18.3%, and largely robotics is the only segment that is witnessing a degrowth in the EBIT margins. But the margins in all the other segments have actually improved for the company, and this is largely being driven by higher share of service as well as exports in the revenue mix, as well as positive pricing action and favorable commodity prices for the company. Resultantly, net profit is also seeing a very sharp surge of almost 88% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 460 crores. The order inflows has also been quite healthy. It's up almost 15% on a year-on-year basis. In fact, this is the fifth or the sixth consecutive quarter wherein the company has maintained order inflow run rate of almost 3,000 crores. The order backlog is also witnessing a significant jump of almost 25%, and this in turn gives very good revenue visibility. Now, the company recently held a con call at around 10 a.m. or so, and they have highlighted that there were no one-offs in Q1. In fact, this better performance was attributed to the revenue mix, favorable material costs, and in fact what they have said is that material costs have softened, and the new orders that will come through will be adjusted for these revised material costs. So margins have definitely spiked up in the first quarter for ABB India, but they're expected to remain at similar levels as FY24 overall. They have also highlighted that ordering activity has not slowed down by any measure on account of the elections, and they see significant private capex picking up in specific areas like data centers, automation, etc. And the focus areas, that is data centers, railways and metro electronics, are expected to post a growth of almost 50%, that is 15% going forward. So overall, a good set of numbers, good commentary coming in from the management, and as a result, the stock is surging in trade today.
All right, thanks a lot for that. So that's on ABB, right? Big move coming in there. But moving